The Penzance project was for Great Western Railways. They required a new facility in the southwest, right down in Cornwall, in Penzance, and it was on the Long Rock Depot site. And the purpose of the depot was to relocate the sleeper fleet from Old Oak Common in London down to the southwest. This then releases Old Oak Common for what is required for HS2. The Old Oak Common site becomes part of the work site and the shaft sinking for HS2. So it's critical for them for the depot to be relocated. And with that came some time pressures. So very early on in the tender process, we were trying to think of ways of enhancing the scheme, making it better, being able to improve the programme deliverables, and looking at a smarter way of doing the job to obviously get as cheap a tender price as we possibly could to put us in the driving seat for winning the work. It was a very tight tender, and I think it was probably the innovation that got us over the line. One innovation actually saved a lot of time and also allowed the depot to be operational all the way through. It was a cantilever support to the roof structure. The cantilever support really allowed us to build the entire facility, maintaining the existing facility fully operational. There's essentially three lumps to the job. It's the accommodation block, it's the new shed, and it's the existing HST shed. And the programme originally was very sequential, one after the other. We managed to build everything concurrently, which also allowed us to have a much safer work site as well, because what it allowed us to do was get the staff from the depot into a different location on the depot, which was also part of our tender philosophy. Safer work site, they're out of our way, we're out of their way, and it worked very well. Because of the importance of releasing Old Oak Common for HS2, the Department of Transport took a keen eye on monitoring the whole site and the progress. So we came up with an acceleration program. Everything was squeezed up and concurrent. So massively increased our staff and operatives on site, 7 days a week, right through the project. We came up with a program in November, I think it was 16, and said we could deliver the 5th of December 17, and we did. We delivered the end date of the 5th of December, much to the delight of obviously everybody on the project. With Spencer's, what you always get at tender stage is challenge. You get challenged from every part of the business. Right? Why are we doing it that way? Why not do it this way? Why not think of a better way of doing it? Particularly from Charlie Spencer himself, who likes to say there must be a better way of doing this. And then when we get to site, it's about working with the client. Right from day one, we invited the client to cohabit with us in our office accommodation, which they jumped at the chance of that. That was great. We had the clerk of works and their senior project manager on site with us all the time. So that allowed a great flow of information, both ways, in a non-contractual sort of atmosphere. Another huge success on the job was the programme delivery on site and the way that our site team worked with the depot team. So that was weekly meetings, daily briefs, to make sure that our programme didn't disrupt the depot in any way. We had the depot on side with us all the way through the project. They had us on side all the way through the project. We were helping each other all the way through it. But without doubt, the delivery team on Penzance were excellent in that they delivered the work, pushed a very tight programme through to completion. On Penzance, the added value was no delays for the client. Another success for the project was we won the Constructing Excellence Award for the Southwest region, a fantastic achievement for Spencer's, and to have the award as well at the end, which is recognised highly by Network Rail, was great to receive.